How to make the Trippy Displace effect. Today's video is sponsored by Spider-Man. Right-click to your clip, make it a new Fusion clip, and open the Fusion page. Add a Displace node, and then add a Merge node. Bring a Blur node in empty space. Connect your media to the Blur node. Set the blur size to 6. Add a Colorama node after the blur. For this you're gonna need to install the Reactor plugin and activate the Colorama tool. Right-click to the Hue shift and select to modify with Anim curves. Add a Fragments node. For this you need again the Reactor plugin, and activate the Crocodove tools. Bring the channel low to 0.3, and the high to 0.6. Those numbers are not absolute, but they are a great starting point to experiment. Go to the Range Fade tab. Set the range type to random, the range seeds to 4, and the jitter to 1.7. Adjust the range minimum and maximum slider. Again you need to experiment to find what works best for you. Set the range curve to ease out, and check the range random box. Add a glow node. Bring down the shine threshold to 0, and the spread to minimum. Increase the gain and the opacity slightly. Bring another Displace node, and connect the fragments to the green point of the Displace. Increase the refraction strength to 2, and the spread slider to 3. Add a Transform node, right-click to the center value and select to modify with Shake. Change the edges to Duplicate, go to the Modifiers tab, bring down the smoothness, set the minimum to 0.45, and the maximum to 0.55. Take this Transform node and connect it to the Merge and the Displace node. Select that Displace node, set the refraction strength around 1, and increase the spread value to 3. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, then I guess you won't.